we are playing against, for sure, the first number 1 or number 2, now is in second position, team in this league. So we are playing against a strong team, making very good games in the last, especially the last 4 games, and showing why is in second position and why will be a candidate to win this in the Super League. But all games start 0-0. Our team will be not here for party. Our team will be not here to participate in this big event that tomorrow, of course, Goa want to confirm, even not mathematically, already in the final 4, in semi-finals, but having 5 points more than Jamshedpur, I think no doubts about the classification of Goa. Will be tough, hard for us, because first because Goa is a great team. Second because our game was just 2 days ago, so the time to recover is a little bit short than usual. And also in the last 10 days we had some problems. Some players injured, some players sick also. But the last game gave us the chance to play a good game, to confirm that the team is better than the results were showing. The team, of course, winning the games and making good performance. This is the best way to get confidence. But tomorrow, if you ask me, we need to be better than we were in Bangalore. Tomorrow we need to be better than we were against Chennai, because we are playing against a great team, great players. And when I look for Goa, I look for the whole team scoring a lot of goals, making attractive football, and we have to be in a very positive way, without mistakes, and the team very compact, well organized, and we are here also with the happiness that must be shown in any game special, because we are going for the final of the league. And I want also to see in these games how our team can face the great opponents of this ISL. In Bangalore was a good test for us, especially the first 45 minutes. We made a great game. We were close to make the 3rd goal, then to concede 2-1. After 2-1, we were close to make 3-1, but unfortunately, remaining 5 minutes, Bangalore, with merit, they managed to draw the game. So, but I'm sure for tomorrow, we need to be better, because if you are not better than we were against Bangalore and against Chennai, it will be hard for us. And I want to make hard life for Goa tomorrow also.
I'm Anil from Kochi, Kerala. So what made the difference against Chennai? Is it the result of midfield or strikers? What made the difference?
You know, if you look for the team that played against Chennai, was basically the same team that played against Bangalore. Only we need to change Lucky, because Lucky was suspended 1 day before, and we brought Hannes that made a very good game. And both games, against Bangalore and against Chennai, the work in midfield was very good. So we managed to press, we managed to recover a lot of balls, and we managed to start our attacks many times, recovering the balls in midfield. Also against Etiki, this happened, was my first game, but now, of course, my vision, my concept, my way to training, the players now, they know better this than when I arrived. But against Delhi, for example, regarding the 4 games we played, against Delhi was very weak, because never during 80 minutes we managed to get or to recover the ball in midfield. We are recovering the ball always in our defense. So the game became very hard, and also Delhi made a good game. But these 2 games, of course, maybe the team showed 2 things. More compact, the team, so not big space between the different sectors, and our midfielders, so pressing better, and as we said, recovering, getting the ball, to start the good attacks and good counter-attacks. And our team, so, is good in these transitions. When we get the ball, our team is good. So we have players with capacity and characteristics to go immediately for fast attack or counter-attack. So fast attack or counter-attack is always the same. But counter-attack, we can say, a little bit faster than a fast attack. So our team is strong. And to make that, of course, we need to recover the ball more times on midfield. If you recover all balls in defense, difficult to overcome the all opponent team. So can happen 1 or 2 times, but we need to be more aggressive. And this game against Chennai, and special the first half against Bangalore, was a good example what really I want from Kerala.
Next one, please.
Out of contention for top 4 a very long time, and after you have taken over in Kerala Blasters, what positives you would like to take to build for the next season?
You know, look, next season will be another season. Also, it's not time to still to talk about next season. When I arrived, of course, I have to tell that I have, so according my professional status, so my education, always I respect everything made here or in the clubs where when I was coming to replace so the coach. And I want to say clearly that many things that we are making is not because I arrived now. Many things were made in the past. So during the time David James has been here, of course my idea, my concept, the way we play is different. But when I leave, if coming another coach, of course also you will work according his vision, not according my vision. But in the beginning, I was feeling like sadness in the players. So it was a sad team because the results, of course, were not good. And I was telling the players, look, we can training well, we can have the best players, but if we don't bring happiness for trainings, transporting this happiness for the games, we cannot win. So happiness is something that can help in many times to overcome. And this happiness must be one of important things in football, confidence. If the players are confident, so the performance can increase 30%. Look, same player without confidence decrease immediately 30%. So one player with confidence increase 30%. So if you make this in whole team, it means so was like a big jump, even if not touching nothing in tactics or techniques or organization of team, just touching the confidence of the players. This means we can be better. And to be honest, I think, because it's not first time I arrive in a club in the middle of the season, it's not easy, but I have good experience most of times in this situation, because I believe one of the good things I can transmit for the players is that confidence, that happiness that they need to play and to feel comfortable. And telling them, we have the responsibility to represent our club, but you have to represent it with pride, with the strong determination, but it's only a game. There is situations, look, what happened in Kashmir is very bad for the life of people. Here, to win or to game is only a game. So let's go to put the game in the level that the game and football deserve. With respect, I used to say to the players, now start the game after 5 minutes. Is the most important thing in your life. So it's the game of your life, but it is not to play the life in the game. It's the game of life, but it's not the life of the game. So I believe the players could understand, and of course, when we are talking this, if the good results coming, so they become more confident. I believe that, of course, I changed some positions, so according the players we have, and but what I feel more is, and here is not any player, but we can ask players, I believe now they are feeling one atmosphere very positive. They come happy for training, they want to train, and this is important, so one of the steps that can bring that. Because, of course, when the results are, well, look, I spend sometimes, fortunately not many times, but sometimes I am always the same, very positive, so my vision for football is positive, happiness, but sometimes also the results are not coming. But I believe here I made some impact with this different vision to look for the game.
Next question, please.
Goa has been very good form recently. They have good teams as well. How do you expect to follow the encounters going to be?
You know, look, when I look for Goa, I was talking before for another interview. They were asking about the individualities of Goa. So I look for Goa as the team. So we cannot stop one player because Goa has 11 good players, and also in the bench, many players that are in the bench of Goa, they could play in the other teams, in the other teams of this in the Super League. So it means the squad of Goa is very strong and they have solutions on the bench. So, but you know, football is the game in the world that many times or more times happen. The team is the strong team. So many times can lose. So in basketball, in volleyball, in another sports is more difficult. The teams are not so strong to beat the good teams. And as you know, when we came to Bangalore, everybody was expecting maybe we go there and to lose 3 or 4-0, and we could win. We were winning until 5 minutes before the end, and before the draw, we had the ball on the bar. So in a good day, but as I told you, we need a good day. A good day for us, and not a good day, football talking, of course, for Goa, it's possible to win and to beat Goa. In normal situation, no doubt, Goa is better than us. So the difference of the points, the classification, show that. So it means Goa now is better than us. But to be better now doesn't mean they will win the game. So what you can expect our team? Compact, well organized, but no fear. It's only a game. When you have the ball, we will attack. We will go. When we lose the ball, we have to react. When we lose the ball, we have to be aggressive in a good way. You know, it's not a matter of this game, but the coach of Chennai, Gregory, tell the players of Kerala didn't show fair play. Look, if you look for old situation, we recovered the ball and immediately, as I told you, we made a very fast transition for the attack, counter-attack, and nobody was looking for this player. If you finalized without goal, nobody talked, but we finalized. But the player that was there, down, he was down alone. Nobody touched, was no foul. So, and to be honest, even I'm not happy the way he was talking. Okay, I can accept, but our team have to be tough in a good way, aggressive, but with fair play. Because I told my players, we need to be aggressive, but to be aggressive is not to be tough and intense, is not to provoke any injuries. So this is not acceptable for me, because fair play, since I was player and now as coach, is a word that is inside me. So, but as I told, we have to be very good tomorrow to try, and I hope it can be attractive game. We'll suffer, yes, they will come on us, yes, for sure, many times, but I want to see my team also to play the style and the way they played the last 2 games.
The exciting point is that the teams that are out of contention are putting a lot of pressure on the contenders who are getting results. So does that make Kerala Blasters doubly dangerous?
Bueno, mi valoración es que nos vamos a enfrentar a un muy buen equipo.
My opinion is that we are going to face a very good squad.
Un equipo que ha tenido un cambio que tiene muy buenos jugadores y que ha tenido un cambio de imagen después del cambio de entrenador.
I think with great players and it's looking completely different with the new coach.
Estoy seguro que si mañana no estamos al 100% y haciendo las cosas haciéndolas muy bien, no vamos a ganar el partido.
I'm sure that tomorrow if we are not at our 100% and doing things well, we are not going to take the 3 points.
Y con respecto a los otros rivales, lo importante es que dependemos de nosotros mismos, lo importante es que si mañana ganamos aseguramos los playoffs e incluso depende de nosotros ser primeros.
And the main thing is that tomorrow if we get the victory, we guarantee 1 spot on the playoffs and also depend on us to finish also top of the table.
Next question, gentlemen.
Which now that ATK lost against Goa and Chelsea lost yesterday, so it is almost certain that FC Goa will qualify for the playoffs. So now do you believe it is time for FC Goa to actually look at the top position?
Como he dicho anteriormente, depende de nosotros.
As I said before, it depends on us.
Pero como he dicho siempre, yo creo que tenemos que enfocarnos en partido a partido, en el partido de mañana, que es el más importante, y si sacamos el partido adelante, ir pensando en los siguientes objetivos.
But as I always said, what we have to do is we have to try to focus on every single game. And this time we have to focus only in the Kerala game and get 3 points at the time.
Yes, please.
Something in a very good form. Do you think you have got the same rhythm back which you had last year when you were winning games one after the other?
Y tenemos un buen momento con esa misma sensación como el año pasado tuvimos esa racha que ganábamos todos.
Yo creo que de lo que estoy contento es que uno de mis objetivos antes de empezar la temporada era mejorar al equipo defensivamente y eso lo hemos conseguido.
I'm happy because one of my goals before that decision was improving the defense, and I think we have achieved it.
Después también era muy importante encontrar una regularidad en cuanto al rendimiento del equipo.
Also, I think it was very important to look for to be regular in terms of the performance of the team. I think also we have achieved it.
Creo que en una temporada todos los equipos pasamos periodos buenos y periodos malos, pero nosotros creo que nos hemos mantenido dentro de una regularidad.
I think through the decision of the teams they go through different momentums, but we think we have kept some kind of balance throughout the whole season.
Mi sensación es positiva por cómo estamos consiguiendo las cosas.
The feelings I'm getting is they're positive because of the way we are achieving things.
Yes, please.
Which in the last time matches Goa had in the last time matches we actually had the most of the ball partner condition and do you think we can have one of the ball in central defense and there is no balance in the team now?
Bueno, yo creo que sí es verdad que hemos mejorado defensivamente, pero no creo que solo sea porque estemos jugando con Fal y con Peña atrás.
I think it's true. It's true we have improved in defense, but I don't think it's only because we are playing with Carlos Peña and with Fal at the back.
Creo que el último partido es un ejemplo de defender bien y nuestra defensa empezaba en la línea más ofensiva, intentando recuperar el balón lo más cerca de la portería contraria.
I think the last game it was a great example of good defending, but our defense didn't start from the back, but start from the forward. I mean, recovering the possession of the ball at front.
Por lo tanto, creo que el equipo en general, más allá de dos nombres, ha mejorado defensivamente.
Therefore, I think the team, regardless of Peña and Fal, it has improved defensively, but as a global, as a overall.
Y sobre todo, y lo más importante, por ejemplo, en el último partido, es bueno mejorar defensivamente sin perder las opciones ofensivas. Y en el último partido tuvimos muchas ocasiones de gol y metimos 3 goles.
And I think what is key is to improve defensively, but also keep creating the chances, and that's exactly what we did in the last game.
Yes, please.
How do you sense any sort of complacency creeping into the team? How would you avoid players feeling satisfied about what they
¿Cómo considerar que los equipos para los jugadores llegan enchufados?
Yo creo que lo que es fundamental es darnos cuenta de cómo podemos conseguir las cosas, no qué podemos conseguir.
I think what we have to do is be focused on how we can achieve things rather than what we are going to achieve.
Pienso que si estamos pensando continuamente, si ganamos nos podemos poner primeros, si ganamos nos podemos poner primeros, nos olvidamos de cómo tenemos que ganar.
I think if we keep thinking in our heads, no, if we win, we will make it into the second table, or we will make it first. At that time, you are forgetting how you're going to achieve it or what way you're going to follow.
Creo que no hay que añadir presión a los jugadores, creo que hay que motivarlos con ilusión.
I think you don't have to add any pressure to the players. The only thing you have to do is get them motivated, but through excitement, by excitement.
Y creo que lo más importante es centrarnos siempre en cómo ganar el siguiente partido.
And as I said before, the most important thing I think is to focus on how we are going to win the next game.
Cuando llegue el final de la temporada, mirar atrás y veremos lo que hemos conseguido.
And then at the end of the season, we will look back and then you will see what we have achieved.
Grab a chance to support your favorite team in 5th edition of India Super League. Answer this simple question and 5 lucky winners will win couple passes.
And the question was,
which goalkeeper rejoined FC Goa in January transfer window? And the correct option is option A, Naveen Kumar. And the winners of the contest are Franco Goesh, Ponda, Glenn Kuraya from Tiswadi, Vasu Gaonkar from Kepe, Deepa Naik from Ponda and Jesnoy Dias from Bicholin. Congratulations!